First, I would like to ask you a question. Have you ever wanted to create more engaging and personalized video content for your business in the age of digitalization, but struggled with the costs and resources involved? Well, there is a solution, and it's called Avatar Lite. Avatar Lite is essentially your digital twin. It uses advanced technology to convert your image and voice into a digital form, which can be embedded into various types of videos. And the best part? You don't even need a camera. It's a cameraless way. With Avatar Lite, you can showcase your expertise in a range of video formats: promotional visual materials, brand ambassadors or evangelist video, social media campaigns, personalized video, digital educational materials. By leveraging this technology, you can build closer connections with your audience and attract more attention and loyal fans. So, if you want to elevate your business operations and video marketing strategies, consider giving Avatar Lite a try. It's an innovative solution that can help you create engaging and personalized video content with ease.